then, even my baby boy, he's 2 months old, and believe it or not, even though I have a 9-year-old, it was all very new to me again, because in my daycare, I don't have children under than probably a year and a half. So now looking at a newborn, I asked my husband, I said, oh no, how do I pick him up? And I got, a little nervous, and he's like, let me show you. But then if I follow yours,
Sure.
Mr. Isaac.
This hand, cover it on the back. So then from that moment,
I'm so confused.
no, you're good. There you go. Would you like to try one more time?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. It is scary, especially when they're so small,
Yes.
so they don't wobble everywhere.
And I think that was the intention of all those minuscule steps, because they are so small. You want to make sure that you're not dangling the pole arm, right? Even though I know that none of you would be capable of doing such a thing.
See, this step I'm okay with. This step. But then this step, how do I actually?
Okay. So the cupping of this hand would replace this one. Right.
Oh, and then.
There you go.
Yay.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank
Please,
you.
clap it up for her, please.